Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited about this video because finally my favorite season of all is coming up. And what better way than to bring in the fall season with the new FabFitFun fall box for 2019. And I got this puppy right here. I got it the other day actually in the mail. And I couldn't wait to sit down and open it up for you guys because I'm so excited. I've been subscribed to this box I believe about a year now, and I feel like it's the best because I feel like you get your money's worth and then some. There's a lot of the stuff that I use like on a daily basis, so I cannot wait to open this up. So let's get into the video and see what's inside this puppy. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I love this box, you guys. And this is not a sponsored video or anything, so I feel like you need to check them out. I mean, I'll leave I'll leave everything below. I'll leave the link to the website down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. So let's have at it. Let's get into the video. So I'm gonna actually read off what the website says about it. So you sign up for a FabFitFun membership and it's just $49.99 each season, and you get the box filled with 8 to 10 full-size premium products, and they're usually valued at over $200, which I think is amazing. And for the brands of the products, it's just great. You can customize the box each season. So I actually forgot to customize mine this past month or so, and I was super busy and I totally forgot about it. So I'm actually like, I don't even know what's inside right now. I'm so excited to get into this box right now. It's a huge box too. I'm so excited. Okay. Ta-da. Be careful. I have a butter knife. So I'm gonna open this puppy up. Oh, let me see. Oh, okay, that was easy. Oh my god, and the detail inside, you guys, the detail inside the box is like so amazing. Like, I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna cover my face for a sec. It's like, I mean, look at that. And this is how it comes, and then you get the magazine inside, like right on top. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so it's like this, and the magazine. Oh, it's actually that singer Megan Trainor. She's on the cover of the magazine this season. This is awesome because this inside, if you read it, it gives you like beauty tips and stuff like that, which is cool. And also it gives you a description of the products that you have in your box. Ooh. Oh, and they always give you like little like offers and stuff to like other companies, like this one, to other companies. Like this one, they give you like it's an $80 gift card, like when you sign up for HelloFresh and stuff. So they give you all these like little like incentives and stuff, which I think is pretty cool too. So, oh, I want to show you this because I feel like they're so detailed with the little. It has the little heart sticker and FabFitFun, and it's so cute. I love like the small details. Whenever you're subscribed to something, it's like the best. So I don't want to rip it too much. Oh my god, it smells so good too. Oh my god, it smells so good. Ooh, I'm so excited. If I didn't tell you already. Okay, so first up is the, oh, I've used this brand before. It's the Trestique, and they are, ooh, oh cool. These, there's a brow pencil, a shadow crayon, another shadow crayon, and an eye pencil. That is so cool for your eyes, like a home makeup set. Oh look, I love this. Their packaging is so cool. Let me show you. This is the brow pencil. I think their packaging is like so cute. Wait, I wonder if the camera can focus on it. But anyway, I think this is so cute. It looks like a little crayon. This is just the cap. And then you have your eyebrow pencil, which is actually pretty cool. I need to try it out. I've been actually like using a lot of stuff for like my eyebrows and stuff lately. I mean, before I never really liked to, but now I've been really into that. This is the shadow crayon. Ooh, that's a nice color. Oh, wow, look at that. That is so pretty. I can't even get it to focus, but okay. That is so pretty. It's like a nice shimmer. I mean, I can use this like when like the tear ducts, like I love using like little highlighters, and I use it like on my brow bone and stuff. So this is perfect. And I love that it comes in these sizes too. This is another shadow crayon. This is a nice color too. It's like it's a dark brown. Ooh. Oh, that's a nice color. It's a nice dark chocolate brown. I love that. And this is so cute. This is the eyeliner. Black eyeliner. Ooh, this is perfect. Look. And it's a little twisty thing. This is so perfect, especially when you're on the go and stuff. Like, I love these sizes because they're perfect. I love to have the small sizes, and plus I feel like since I have little hands, it's easier to maneuver as well. Oh my god, I love this. I need to try this out, and I need to tell you guys how it works out. Retail for $48. Wow, guys, that's crazy. That's expensive. And I love like these sizes because I can try them out. Like, I love trying stuff out before I actually buy them, and that's why I feel like these boxes like this are great. That's amazing. That in itself is already like paying off for the box. So okay, the next up is the, let me see, I need to see what this is. It's by the brand Aromatherapy Associates, London. I never heard of this brand actually. I wonder if the camera can focus on that. And it's so pretty. It's like a nice little like purpley lavender color. It's beautiful. It's a perfume. It's a roll-on perfume. That's cute. It's perfect. So when you want to carry it in your purse, I literally like love these little, when they're packaged small. Chamomile in it. So next up, oh, this is for your hair. Oh my god, I needed something for my hair so bad. I dyed my hair recently. My sister dyed my hair. So like I dyed it. I went back to my dark roots. Like I did a dark brown again. It almost looks black, but I really am loving it. And yeah, like I did a little bit light color like for the summer and the lighter for the summer, but I'm like, no, I want to go back to my dark hair. I missed it. So this is perfect, and it's from Aveda. So this retails for, this one retails for $30. So it's an Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, which is perfect because I really need something for my hair. It's infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, soy, and instantly repairs and protects your hair from heat styling. It protects from heat styling. This is perfect because I've been wanting something for after I get out of the shower and when I want to blow dry my hair, flat iron it. Awesome. They read my mind. Okay, next up is, oh, this is nice. I love when anything has like really nice packaging. I just love it. It looks so pretty. Like, it's gonna look so pretty in my bathroom. That's what I'm most excited about. It's a body souffle. It's by the brand Humankind. Skincare with a conscience. This is so beautiful. I hope the camera can like zoom in. This is so pretty. I really love this. So this one retails for $18. Ooh, so yeah, it's a souffle, so it's like a body lotion pretty much. So let me just open it here. I want to smell it. It's so pretty. I'm sure it's great anyway, but let's give it a whirl. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh, and it's not like greasy or anything, which I love. I hate when you're putting on a lotion or something in your hand and it's all greasy. Okay, next up. Ooh, I love this. Next up is from the brand Bobble Bar. These little earrings. They're called Farrah ear crawlers. These are so cute. I've tried earrings like this before. They're so pretty. They're like little like ear cuffs kind of. Oh, these are $34. I'm gonna try one right now actually so you guys could see it on. Like, yeah. So I'm gonna try one on. Put it in your ear. I mean, I don't know if I'm doing it right. Maybe it's the other way around, but it's like supposed to go like this. They're pretty. You guys, look how delicate and nice it looks. It's probably supposed to go like up, but just tried it on. I'm excited about when I wear my hair up in a ponytail. I'm excited to wear these. Oh my god. Ah! Shut your mouth because wow. This is a makeup bag. Yes, this is so good. Oh my gosh. Why am I so excited? I'm such a loser. This one retails for $30. Wow. This is like so awesome. I thought it was a makeup bag, but it's a lunch tote. It says out to lunch here. It has an insulated interior to keep your food cool. That is so cute. I like love this so much. This is like so me. This is totally my style. I could use it as a makeup bag too, so who knows? It's very versatile. So next up, is this Burberry. So this is, let me see what this is. They're exfoliating sugar cubes. It looks like gum almost. And let me smell this. It's from the brand Harper and Ari. Retails for $16. That's crazy. And these delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower. Oh, these smell really nice. These are so good. Oh, they're nice and like soft too. Next one is okay. Oh, this comes in a bag. Oh, it's the mystery. It's a mystery choice. So I've had this brand before from them. It's Grown Alchemist. That's the brand. Detox night cream with peptide, echinacea, and reishi extract. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, it's nice and sleek. I love the packaging. Especially love when like it's like more natural brands and everything, because my skin is just like so bad. I have really bad combination skin and I have such bad acne. I love trying products when they're natural products, and this I cannot wait to try at night. And just I'm definitely gonna update you guys on how this one works. Don't forget to like down below. Link the website down below, so if you guys are interested in subscribing to the box. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support your girl down below. The red button that says subscribe. Subscribe. Go on, click it. Don't be afraid. And don't forget to ring that bell button so you can get notified on more of my videos. I love you guys, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a great week. Bye guys. Peace and love to everyone.